The Ballad of the Frying Pan. Oh, gather round, good people, and lift your cups to hand. I'll tell you of a maiden bold with nothing but a pan. The order's mage came striding, staff of fire in his grip, but York is made of iron hearts and none would let him slip. So clang, clang, the frying pan rang, blood on the cobbles, brains in the gang. When York is besieged, we'll fight to a man, or a mother and child with a frying pan. He smote our lads with lightning, 3 went down the flame. He sneered at wife and daughter, to him they were but game. But Alice swung her skillet, the iron sang out true. It split his skull asunder and the crowd around it grew. Oh, clang, clang, the frying pan rang, blood on the cobbles, brains in the gang. When York is besieged, we'll fight to a man, or a mother and child with a frying pan. Been little and 6 winters, her mam's brave daughter fair. She seized the pan with tiny hands and struck him where he stared. Again, again she hammered till the sorcery was gone, and York's bells rang a victory that echoed on and on. Clang, clang, the frying pan rang, blood on the cobbles, brains in the gang. When York is besieged, we'll fight to a man, or a mother and child with a frying pan. So drink to Anne and Alice, to York both fierce and grand, where wolves and bears and ravens fight and children make a stand. The order ships lie broken, their mages all are slain, and the Cartwright pen still waits to strike should they return again. Clang, clang, the frying pan man, blood on the cobbles, brains in the gang. When York is besieged, we'll fight to a man, or a mother and child with a frying pan.